right, this is Kylo, and she's been here for several weeks. She's a Border Collie Kelpie mix. And we have great news. She is going to be going home on Thursday to her adopted home. She has improved tremendously while she's been here. She's gained a lot of weight, and she's enjoying the staff handling her. And she gets to go out on potty walks and visit with other dogs. But she'd rather be her only dog self. So she gets to go to a family that will love her for the rest of her days.
Hi, baby.
Good girl. Oh my goodness, come on. Oh, good girl. You want to pop it? Look.
Come say hi.
Oh, good girl. Good girl. Look at that. This is a little Maltese mix female. We're guessing her to be about 5-6 years old. She came in with 2 other dogs, and we're hoping that her owner will come and claim her. She is available now for adoption, but we did get a phone call, so we're hoping that she'll go home soon. Oh, that's a good puppy. Look at that. I know. I know, it's kind of scary, huh? Come here. Okay, there you go. Good girl. I know, my goodness. This old fella came in with the little Maltese. His name is Vader. He says, I'm a senior citizen and I love my dog bed.
Hi, buddy.
We're guessing him to be about 12. He came in with a Australian Shepherd Border Collie mix and then this little dog, so we know that he does like other dogs. And he will be available for adoption soon if his owner doesn't come. Good old fella. This is Matilda. Matilda is a Lhasa Apso. She's about 4 to 5 years old, and she is scheduled to get adopted also this week. So she just has a couple more days to wait, and then she gets to go to a new home. Good girl. She says, I got the hair trimmed out of my eyes today so I can see where I'm going. I was running around with a shaggy mop in my eyeballs. Huh? Yes, I know. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Huh? Good job. Good job. This is Max. Max is a Yorkshire Terrier mix. He has been here his holding period, and we're guessing him to be about 2. He gets a little nervous with strangers, and he is scheduled to go home this week also for adoption. What a good fella. Oh, what a good fella. Look at you. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Good guy. Good job. Yeah. This is Mia. Mia is a Border Collie mix. We're guessing her to be about 8 years old, and she came in with the Maltese and the Lab, and again, we're hoping that her owner comes back for her. She's been here a few days, and she really misses her buddies that she gets to hang out with. You're a good girl. Can you sit? What a show off. Yes, you are. Want that one? Good job. Do you shake? Do you shake? She goes, no, but I look really cute for the camera. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. There you go. Mia. Oh, you like those goodies. Look at that. You like those goodies, huh? This is Duke. Duke is an Australian Shepherd miniature Border Collie mix. We're still evaluating to determine the best placement for him. He would prefer to be an only dog. Come here, buddy. He gets a little nervous with strangers, but once he gets to know you, he's okay. And Duke is 4 years old. So that camera's a little scary, though. It is. Come here, Duke. Come here. Can you sit? Good sit. That's a very good boy. Good job, buddy. She is as big as he will be. However, this would not be an apartment dog. This would be a dog that would need to have some space to run around and get some exercise. Good fella. Good boy. There you go, big guy. It's okay. There you go. Good job. This is Patches. Patches is an Australian cattle dog mix. She is approximately 2 to 3 years old. And she has been a companion dog to a lady that was unable to come and get her. So we're going to see where her best placement will be. She is already spayed. And she's doing pretty good taking all the goodies. Can you sit, Patches? Good girl. Come on, sit. Good job. That's very nice. Good job.